It is hot, people. Hello, my name is Mehdi Cayenne, and I'm here to tell you about a series of workshops that I will be giving from July 12th to July 23rd, from Monday to Thursday. On all those days, from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m., we're going to be doing some writing workshops. Now, I've written a bunch of songs and a bunch of poems. I've done a bunch of shows, a bunch of albums, and a bunch of workshops. And I've learned a few things that I want to share with you during those workshops. But what's most important is that if you come out there and you show up with what you like, what you're passionate about, and ready to have fun with an open mind, we're going to do some things together that you wouldn't have believed were possible before. I promise you that. So I would love to see you there. And by the way, I can do this en français et en anglais. So que tu parles français ou anglais, please come on down. You are welcome to. It's going to be awesome. Et donc, again, it's July 12th to July 23rd, Mondays to Thursdays, from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. I will see you there, fresh as a rose, as long as I keep drinking water.